What's up, guys? It's Dwayne from mountainbuck.com, where we go from backyard to backwoods. And guys, I needed a new ladder stand to install just before hunting season. I went to buy the one I usually get, and they no longer make it, so I had to find something else. And I wanted to find something that was relatively inexpensive, priced right, something that had a shooting rail, armrests, want to be comfortable, you're going to be up there for a few hours, and something that had like a nice color metal. You know, I don't really like the black metal because it kind of sticks out in my opinion, so this one has some gray metal. What I found was the Realtree Deluxe 15-foot ladder stand, and it has a really cool feature. It does have the shooting rail, which flips up. It has a seat, which flips up. It has a 24-inch wide ladder to make it easier for you to move up and down on this thing. And I wanted to be able to hang this myself. Like, we're getting close to hunting season. I want to be able to get it up there. I don't want to, ask people to come help me or whatever. It's kind of a hurry up and do it type of thing. So this actually has a really nice design from Primal Treestands. I guess they patented it and they're using it here with Realtree. But it has the Primal Grip Jaw system. So you can be on the ground, lean this up against a tree, pull on the thing, and it's going to grip those jaws around the tree at the top, locking it into place so you can then securely climb up and then tighten it down with a ratchet strap. So this, I think, was a pretty good find for me. I'm pretty happy with it. I did say it was a 15-foot. That's what it says on the website, on Walmart, everything. It says 15-foot ladder stand. I get the box, and it says 16-foot ladder stand right here. I mean, what's going on? Hey, give me the extra foot. That's awesome. I wish they gave me an extra 3 feet. That'd be amazing. I'm gonna let you guys know exactly what this is once I unbox it and assemble it right here. So hang out and check that out. So before I get started, guys, as always, please hook me up, hit subscribe, all right? So let's get in this box and see what size it really is, and we'll prepare it, assemble it, and get it ready to install up in my spot. is it, guys. Our Realtree Deluxe 15-foot, actually 16-foot ladder stand is assembled. I did check the distance. We are 16 feet from the bottom of the ladder all the way up to the shooting rail. Shooting rail does flip up and down, same as the seat. We have that nice Primal Treestands Jaw system, which is going to help you latch onto the tree so you can get up there and secure it. We have about a 20-inch wide ladder so you can get up and down quickly. And this thing is all assembled. I will be doing another video on this while I install it on a tree and demo its use. I also have a nice little tip or two to help keep this thing quiet, so you might want to check that video out. As always, the links to the items we talked about are in the description below. Hook me up and hit subscribe. Thank you guys so much for hanging out, and we'll see you on the next one.